Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder for gym. Making your own protein powder is a fantastic way to control ingredients and save money. We'll explore an easy method using common kitchen staples, ensuring you get a powerful nutritional boost after your workouts. This homemade option is perfect for supporting muscle recovery and growth, giving you flexibility to tailor it exactly to your preferences. Let's dive into the simple steps to create your personalized blend. For our easy homemade protein powder, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with 1 cup of rolled oats, which provide excellent complex carbohydrates and some fiber. Next, grab about half a cup of your favorite nuts, like almonds or cashews, for healthy fats and a good protein boost. Don't forget 1/4 cup of chia or flax seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Finally, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder will add a delicious flavor and beneficial antioxidants. Preparing your protein powder is incredibly straightforward. First, lightly toast your rolled oats and nuts in a dry pan over medium heat for about 5 minutes. This step really brings out their natural flavors. Once toasted, let them cool completely to prevent clumping during blending. Then, simply combine all your ingredients, the cooled oats, nuts, seeds, and cocoa powder, into a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend for approximately 2 minutes until you achieve a fine, uniform powder. Once your protein powder is ready, proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness. Transfer your freshly made powder into an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. It should stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. When you're ready to use it, simply mix 2 to 3 tablespoons into water, milk, or your favorite smoothie. Consuming it within 30 minutes after your workout is ideal for maximizing muscle recovery and growth. Enjoy your nutritious, homemade boost.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.